Hi, I'm Lacey and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I'm going to attempt to make a bucket hat. So this is not really a tutorial, but you can try to follow along if you want to, if you like it. I'm just going to be making it out of scraps from this denim skirt that I did, which is also out of scraps from shorts that I made. I just cut off the legs. So yeah, I'm an aspiring fashion designer, so that's why I'm attempting obviously to make stuff. I want to try to be like zero waste or like just minimal waste because, you know, and I sneeze. Excuse me. Anyways, let's get on with the video and I hope you enjoy. I'm gonna be sewing them into this pattern and then I'll like cut around the edges to make it an actual circle that measures up right. So my sewing machine decided to malfunction, and I guess that's what I get for having like this like, it's not heavy duty and I'm over here trying to sew through denim, so I guess that's not a very good thing. But it's like I was literally sewing through denim fine and stuff, and now I like can't, so I'm kind of confused. Just keeps getting stuck down in here and I keep yanking all the thread out and then it works fine. Watch this janky piece. I literally also did this side fine. Like I'm trying to like make it so it doesn't fray and stuff. And I did that side fine. So, and I didn't think about like I was only gonna do a few sides when I started doing that. So I didn't think about just continuing it, which I regret now. But okay, so watch this. It's like it's not even stuck down there. So like what do you want? So I just power through it. Ends up breaking it. Oh my gosh. Like it didn't even go through. Okay, we'll see what happens next. So I have this done, and then I just need to press these seams and iron them. So that's what I'm gonna do right now.
Nobody's stealing covers.
Chop chop.
I like to drink to myself, so I'ma have another no. I don't need a hand to hold tight, don't need a love that's all mine, but sometimes I just want somebody to talk to.
This is what we got. It's gonna be like this. So cute. Okay, moving on. I'll be using these scraps to make the body of the hat. And I'm using leftover scraps and I'm cutting out 12 by 2.5 inches worth to make strips. And you're gonna need 2 of those. So let's get started. Meet my new sewing machine. It's a Brother SE600. It's embroidering and sewing, and I literally love it a lot. It has a lot of cool features. It's computerized, which I was kind of really hoping for. Yeah, I'll give you a tour and everything. What's this? Doesn't even know what this is. Hold up. I don't know what that is. Okay, SE600. It's computerized. As this thing. Front top load bobbin. Thread. Beautiful. Oh, automatic threader. And it's also, look, also an embroiderer. That's really dope. So yeah. Oh, I could have just done that. But yeah, love it, love it. Now that I've finished the body pieces, I'm moving on to the brim. So I made this piece, which the inner circle is 6 inches and the outer circle is 9 inches by 3.5 inches. And then you want to cut on the fold so it is bigger.
can do my own.
Whoop. Okay, so basically I forgot to do an update. So this is my update. So I took the rectangles and I just sewed them together, and then I took the brim pieces and sewed those together, and now I'm gonna press these seams. Oh, I sewed them with a 1/2 inch seam allowance, but now I'm gonna press the seams open, and then I'll be sewing this to this, and we'll have the top of the hat, and then I just need to add the brim.
So I don't need a hand to hold tight, don't need a love that's all mine, but sometimes I just want somebody to talk to, someone that's on my mind. I want something that's all cool, and it don't waste my time. Yeah, I just want somebody, just want somebody. I just want somebody to talk to, somebody to talk to.
Here's me pinning the body of the hat onto the top of the hat, and then I'm gonna sew it.
Wanna have somebody, wanna have somebody, wanna have somebody that's cool. I wanna have somebody, wanna have somebody, wanna have somebody that's cool. I just want somebody to talk to, someone that's on my mind. I want something that's all cool, and it don't waste my time. Yeah, I just want somebody, just want somebody.
Now I'm sewing the brim to the body of the hat to basically complete the hat.
Somebody to talk to, somebody to talk to talk. Yeah, I just want somebody, just want somebody. Yeah, I just want somebody, somebody to talk to. I wanna have somebody, wanna have somebody, wanna have somebody that's cool. I wanna have somebody, wanna have somebody, wanna have somebody that's cool. I wanna have somebody, wanna have somebody, wanna have somebody that's cool. I wanna have somebody, wanna have somebody.
This ain't cute. So now that I finished the base, I just need to do all the finishing touches, which is ironing the seams, and then I'm gonna do like the things on the brim, the stitches on the brim, the top stitching. So at first I was kind of like, whoa, this is whack, but then I'm kind of digging it, and once I finish it, it'll be dope.
Tight, don't need a love that's all mine, but sometimes I just want somebody to talk to. Time. Yeah, I just want somebody, just want somebody. I just want somebody.
So this is what I did. I finished. Okay, so this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like on. Okay, so it literally looked like trash on in that angle. So I'm kind of confused. Whatever. Obviously I don't like it with the shirt, and I'm not really feeling it with the braids either. Me trying to make up some excuses. Okay. But basically I just sewed 4 other rows, and then on the brim, and then on the sides I did 2 stitches like this on both sides, and I was thinking about doing it here and then here too, but then I just felt a little lazy, so I didn't do that. So yeah, that was me attempting to make a bucket hat, and I would say that was pretty much a success, so that's good. So I'll see you. Oh, also shop my Depop. It's like mediocre clothes, I would say, but I'm really trying to get rid of stuff because I don't want it to go to a landfill, and it's like most of the stuff is still in good quality. Yeah, so yeah, do that, and I'll see you in the next video whenever that is. No promises. So yeah.